All right, so we've seen the site here. We need to now go to the Nearpod. Where's it gone? All right, so we're going to go to Nearpod, and hopefully the link works. Come on. Okay. So the one that we are looking at is, oh, it says it's unsaved. That'll be why. Save. The one that we're looking at is entitled Introduction to IB Economics. Here it is. Welcome to it. Right, so the code that you need for this particular Nearpod, so what you do is you're going to go to nearpod.com, and here it comes, right, and the code that you enter is CJ7RN, CJ7RN. So if you go to join.nearpod.com, and then you enter that code. Now, it should be the same code as in the classroom. If not, I will add it to the classroom just now. Apparently it didn't work the last time I tried. So I'll get this one. Right, should be there now. So you should be able to click on the link and then arrive in nearpod.com. All right. Or you could go to join.nearpod.com and use the code, and you will arrive there very, very soon. All right, so I'll click out of there. Now, if you get lost, the code is up here. All right, there it is. All right, and I should be able to see you arriving in here. Here you are. Fantastic, well done. See you all. Only 9 of you in there at the moment. There will be more to arrive. There you go. All right. Now, so this is a very short welcome to IB Economics, all right, from me. So it's, you know, not to worry too much about being scared about what's actually ahead of you, because it is quite a lot, but, you know, you've got 2 years, you'll be fine. All right, so, oops, go back. I'm saying 3, yeah. Right, so this first one is, what do you think economics is all about? Now, this is like Padlet, but it's not. It's not Padlet. And it is you posting in here. All right, so you're going to write in here and then hit post, a comment, a thought. What do you think economics is all about? Now, here we go. Got some coming in. There you go. Keep going. Post. What do you think economics is all about? This is just to see where you're at the moment, what you are currently thinking. It's a good one there. Here we go, a couple more coming in. Oh yes, good. Well done. Well done, Luckman. Yeah, ooh. Adam, well done. Thinking. Good thought. Okay. Oh, some quite technical language there, Zarfan. Well done. Good. Good work using some terminology there. Well done. Okay, hopefully coming in fast. I'm an expert who will know tomorrow why the things he predicted yesterday didn't happen. Well done, Joshua. Yes, absolutely right. Yep, good work, Young Y. Well done. Gosh, you guys are rock stars, all that. Yeah, good work, Senna, FIFA. Okay, good. No, good. So you guys could sit the exam tomorrow. That's how good you are. Look at that. Well done. Right, last minute thoughts. Anyone else coming in? Question and comment? Comment, thought, link, quote, some image. Very good thoughts in there. Well done. All right, well, let's push on. Let's see how much you already know. All right, so what do you think economics is all about? There's several different options there from A through to F. Away you go. Tell me how much you already know. Well done. Lines are going all funny. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Everybody? No? Another couple can answer. Lines are funny. All right. Right, so, oh, look at that. That's really good. Okay. Now, according to this, the majority of you are classifying yourself as rock stars with regards to IGCSE economics. Well done. Then there's another proportion of you, about a fifth of you who have heard about economics. A few of you who want to know why is Gamora? Yes. All right, that's a good question. There are an equal proportion who haven't heard about economics before, and some who have learnt some economics, but not a lot. Right, that's fantastic, really good. Okay, so one of the things we need to understand as we move forwards is that everybody's got a different experience of economics already, okay, but it's going to be new. There are going to be a lot of new material, even for those who have done economics before. There will still be new material that you will be learning at the same time. All right. Okay. Next activity. Here we go. What does it say? All right. What do you think the government should do? What should the government do to solve the problem of people not having a job? What do you think? If people are unemployed, what should the government do? Here we go. Add a thought and or an image. Post link into the Padlet, into the Nearpod. Joshua wants to decrease unemployment benefits. It's an interesting option. What about the rest of you? People not having a job, what should the government do? It's a big question. Increase spending. Why? It's increase spending. Mm-hmm. The rest of it, what do you think? See, these are the sorts of questions that economists have to deal with and try and figure out how best use the tools that we have to solve these sorts of problems. These are everyday problems. These are current everyday problems. And if you look around the world at the moment, for some people, this is a really serious problem and maybe a growing one. I read an article the other day, and I don't know the actual veracity of the article. Sartan says the government can increase spending on education. Oh, that sounds good. And the article said that here in Malaysia, the shopping malls, they have experienced a 90% decrease in sales. I'm not sure how many businesses are going to be able to keep going if they're keeping up with a 90% decrease in sales. That's remarkable. Increased collaboration, private companies. Ooh, good idea. Good idea. Any other thoughts? What is the government going to do? It's a current economic problem. Some general thoughts. What do you think? Reducing age of retirement. That's an idea. Subsidies to firms. Good idea. Increasing the minimum wage. Okay. That's an idea. Agricultural industries in rural areas. Decreased tax and interest rates. Some macro thinking there from Senna. Well done. Okay. Any others? Last call for last call. Launch a new empowerment program. Oh, hey, there's somebody thinking. Well done. Yeah, I like that idea, Manish. It's something that we see in economics quite a lot, is that during times when there is increasing unemployment, we do find a lot more people moving to the sort of the self-employment sort of business model. So, yeah. All right, team. Well done. See? All right. It's good to know that you know stuff already, that we're not starting necessarily from a completely empty, I don't know anything sort of idea. Labor-intensive industries. Ooh, good idea. Okay. Now, stop sharing for a minute. I'm going to jump back to the meet. Going a bit slower. My computer. Apologies if there's any lagging going on. Now, team, these are, as said, these are the real problems. All right. These are, I mean, we see this, and we know obviously in Malaysia, these are things that need to be discussed, but also in all the other countries in the world. So realistically, as economists, one of the things that we are trying to do is, as you know, Senna and others will know, is we're actually trying to save the world. We're trying to use the tools that we will develop to come up with solutions to really big, potentially really big problems. Okay. Now, here's what I'd like you to do. In the classroom, as you are well aware, jump back to the window. All right, where's the classroom one? Okay, so I showed you the sites. Okay, they're there, and all of the resources, etc., are in there. Now, something new that has arrived is this one. It is entitled Home Learning Worksheet number 1. All right, it's about wants and needs. Okay, because as said, not everybody starts at the same place. Okay, some people, all of economics is brand new. Other people, they've done economics before, and you know it's not going to take them particularly long to complete. So here's what I would like you to do, and I will post this up into the classroom as a list of tasks, just so that we're all clear. Right? Review the Google site. Have a go through it, look through what's in there, bookmark the site, download any resources that you think will be useful, like the Student Learner Guide and maybe any electronic textbooks that you think might be needed. Look through the key terms for Unit 1. You might like to start a glossary and start putting those terms into the glossary. You might like to start separating out like little folders in your computer or on your iPad, sort of areas where you're going to store all of your notes, okay, and figure out how you're going to organize the material that you're going to get. So, and also having a look at the actual material itself and working out if you have any particular questions about the IB Economics course based on the information that you've got. All right? So as well as doing that, then there's also this Home Learning Worksheet number 1. Right, so that's what I'm going to be thinking would be a good thing for you to do. Now you can do all of that. You can email me any particular questions, worries, or concerns. But what I think I will do is I'll stop sharing. What I will do, come back to me. All right. All right, is I will let you go now, okay, out of the meet. You can go work through the site, set up your glossaries. You can start looking at the material, start reviewing what IB Economics is, seeing if you have any particular questions, and maybe you could start work on that worksheet number 1 as well. What time will the worksheets for home assignment be sent? It should be there in the classroom already. There it is. It was posted, so it should be there already. Yes. I've said for it to come in tomorrow. There's nothing attached. Oh, does not have attachments. Oh, we can fix that. Yeah. You thought you were going to get away with it, didn't you? Hey, tell you. Yes, you're right. There doesn't seem to be an attachment there, so let's edit that. All right. Let's see if we can find the attachment. Where did it go? This is me getting used to doing this again. It should be the right one. Save. All right. So hopefully, yes, there it is. It's there now. All right. So are there any particular questions at this point in time as to what it is I'm kind of wanting you to do? Are you all right with that? All okay? Excellent. We seem to meet on like a Monday, a Tuesday, and a Wednesday, according to the timetable. So that's quite handy because we'll be able to, catch up quite regularly with regards to that. And then you'll have obviously the Thursday and Friday to do work and catch up and all of those sorts of things. So I will be seeing you tomorrow, right? But feel free to send us an email, right? If you have any particular questions, worries, or concerns. I'll post the task list, but I'll also post the recording of this section into the classroom when it's all processed and all of those sorts of things. Okay, team? Otherwise, as we'd say in the land of my birth, hey kōnera, which means goodbye for now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You all right, dude?
Yeah, I'm all right. I was just making a copy of the document so that I can edit it.
Good idea.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Stop recording. Let's